The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Caldwell County, Kentucky, northwestern Trigg County, Kentucky, southern Lyon County, Kentucky, until 2 p.m. At 1:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cravens Bay Campground, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Woodland Nature Station, Delumbers Bay Campground, Cravens Bay Campground, Hillman Ferry Campground, land between the lakes area, Cobb, and Rock Castle. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 44 and 57. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 75 and 90. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Lyon, and Trigg.